Alright guys, real quick, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your homemade tartar sauce. I was in the middle of doing this and I thought, you know what, let me video it. I'm going to make a quick tartar sauce. We're going to be using mayo, I just squeezed one lemon and one small onion. I'm going to cut this in half and this is all going to be, I already cut it in half, but I'm going to put it in this little processor thingy and chop that up. And I'm also going to be using relish. This is all going to go mixed in together. You don't have to be too picky about, I think I saw a couple of seeds in here. I'm trying to do this really, really quickly. Oh, I just threw it back in. Awesome. And then it's gonna be a lot of mayo, as you can imagine. So I'll put a couple of spoonfuls in here. That's about 4 tablespoons so far. And I'll keep adjusting that as I go. Got that all over my hand. And for the onion, go ahead and put, kind of just watching for the consistency of what a tartar sauce would be. Sorry about the shaky camera. I'm trying to do this really fast. Squeeze again, just to when it starts looking like tartar sauce. And that is it. Easy. And you can let this sit in the fridge for a little bit until the fish is all fried up. I think I'm going to make it a little bit thicker by adding some more mayo in it, but that is homemade tartar sauce. Okay, I'm back really quick. So I needed a little bit more, and I don't have any more lemons. So you can see I added quite a bit more. I went ahead and stuck some more relish and some more onion, but I'm out of lemons, so what I did is I just used vinegar, and you can use white distilled or apple cider. I think apple cider might give it a different taste, so I just used white distilled, but that's another option for you. There it is.